Namaste. Get ready for today's third eye meditation. Come to Bhairava Mudra. Right hand on the top of your left and tip of your thumb touching together. Close your eyes and relax your body. Sit comfortably. Let your spine rise like a sacred pillar. Bring your attention to the breath. Take a deep inhale once and mouth exhale. Once again, deep inhale, exhale. One more time. Exhale. Effortless, steady, and ancient. Keep your eyes closed throughout the practice. Keep your inhale slowly now and exhale completely. Today we enter the ajna chakra, the center of insight, the seat of inner command, the doorway to clarity and intuitive intelligence. Let your awareness settle into stillness. Bring your awareness to the point between the eyebrows, not with a force, not with expectation, just gentle presence. Feel the breath as it is cool, as it enters, warm as it leaves. If thoughts arise, recognize them gently. Mentally say, "Oh, a thought," and let it pass like a cloud over the vast sky of the mind. Now observe the body from head to toes. Any tension, any discomfort, any vibration, any subtle movement of prana. Do not react. Do not adjust. Just witness. Become Sakshi, the pure observer. You are not the pain. You are the awareness in which pain appears. You are not the sensation. You are the one who sees it. Now become aware of the sound around you. Close sound, sound which comes from the far distance, the soft sound, the sharp sound, continuous sound, or disappearing sound. Let every sound exist without resistance. Right now, this moment is complete. Nothing missing, nothing extra. Be present, fully awake, fully here. Now take deep inhale, and as you exhale mentally, chant one more time. Bring your awareness back to the space between the eyebrows, the ajna chakra. Visualize a soft indigo glow, like a sapphire flame, steady, alive, and quiet. With each inhale, the light becomes clear. With each exhale, the mind becomes quieter. Feel the energy rising through the spine like a serpent of awareness, uncooling, ascending, and awakening. Let the light expand inside the head, illuminating intuition, cutting through illusion, revealing clarity. Now sit behind the mind, behind thoughts, behind emotions, and observe whatever arises. If a thought arises, just observe. A memory arises, just observe. A sensation, a feeling, anything arises, just become an observer. You do not chase it. You do not push it away. You simply watch. When you observe, the mind becomes transparent, clear, still. This is the meditation. This is the doorway to the third eye. Develop a drashta bhav, a feeling of a seer, not a doer. Any thoughts, any emotions, any sensation, they are arising just from the point between the eyebrows. And every exhalation, they're dissolving to the same point. They are not permanent, but a seer, the one who witnessed them, is permanent, which is your real nature, which is you. And focus on witness. You are the one who is detached from all the experience, and you are the one who is stable and witnessing to all experiences. Do not move, do not react, just observe. If there are no any thoughts, no any sensations, no pain, just be at present moment. Focus on that dark space front of your closed eyes. Focus on nothingness. And if any thoughts arises, again see as manifestation of pranic flow. Observe and let it pass. Anytime if you notice mind is unstable, cannot handle, take a deep breath in and exhale softly. Feel the clarity. Feel the subconscious. Feel the awakening at ajna chakra. At the end, just bring the entire focus between the eyebrows and try to focus on that point where the power of intuition resides, from where the whole body gets command. Now, take deep inhale and mouth exhale. Now gently palms together and rub your palm. Place your thumb to your third eye, the right hand thumb, and press it few seconds. Feel the pressure in the vibration. settle down the energy. And now slowly hands down once again. Rub your palm. This time cover your both eyes. Feel warmness. And then slowly palms down. Namaste.